everybody, welcome back. My name is Sydney. If you're new, welcome. I am beyond excited about this video. One, it's a really fun video. Two, I have a super exciting announcement at the end of this video, so don't forget to stick around so you can find out what my secret announcement is. I've been waiting months and months and months to finally tell you guys about this, and today's the day, so yeah. So this video is going to be 5 ways to wear highlighter. It is actually going to be different places you can wear your highlighter along with tips and tricks to use highlighter. Yeah, if you would like to see this video, then just keep on watching. So we're just gonna move on to the very simplest place you can place your highlighter, which is the high points of your face. So on the tops of my cheek, and then I like to bring it up around my brow bone and then put some on my forehead right here because I want to add highlighter wherever the sun hits my face, which this area the sun hits. So yeah, along with the tops of your cheek and on your forehead, I'm going to apply it right on the tip of my nose. I like using a smaller brush so you don't apply too much. Okay, so now I have applied highlighter to the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and on the high points of my cheek and forehead. So the next place we're gonna put highlighter is right on our cupid's bow, which is below our nose. And now we're gonna move on to our eyes. So the places to highlight on your eyes is your brow bone and your inner corner highlight. When you highlight your brow bone, it makes it lifted more and it makes it look more arched and gives it just the most beautiful effect. So that's why I like applying a highlighter underneath my brow, and then on the inner corner, it really makes your eyes pop and look way brighter, and I feel like it just makes it look bigger and gorgeous. All right, so I'm just gonna take the little Morphe brush and dip it into my highlight and then apply it right to the inner corners of my eye. And now we're going to apply it to my brow bone. Okay, after I apply my brow bone, I usually like taking whichever brush I blended my shadow out with and just go over just so it doesn't look so harsh between the eyeshadow and the highlight. So I like to just blend them kind of together. Not too much, but just a little so it doesn't look crazy. So now that we applied highlighter to most common places on your face, we're gonna move on to some different ways you can use your highlighter and basically make it a multi-purpose type product, because honestly I love when you can use a product for 2 different things. Like a lipstick, you can use it for a lipstick and then you can use it for a cream blush. Like ways you can use your products in multiple ways. I just feel like it's a great way to save money, and it's fun to like use different items in different ways. So that's what we're gonna be doing with our highlight. The next thing that we're gonna use our highlight for is actually eyeshadow. I love to apply highlighter as an eyeshadow. I think it's so stunning and I feel like it's a great way to make your eyes pop. So basically I use it the same as a shimmer eyeshadow and just apply it all over the inner and lid area, and it just looks so gorgeous. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna apply this highlighter all over my lid. Look how stunning, like how different my face and just my overall appearance looks, like so different than it did in the beginning of the video just by applying highlighter. Like it's just so crazy that one item can make your face look so different, and I don't know what I would do without highlighter. All right, so number 4 is applying highlighter to the body. You can do this in 2 different ways. One, you can take your highlighter and kind of be very careful and scrape a little tiny bit off the top with either your tweezers, just something like you have around wherever you are. Just scrape out like a little tiny bit. You don't have to ruin your compact. You can literally just shave off a little bit off the top and then mix it in with your moisturizer, mix it really good, and then apply it to your whole body. This will make your body lotion look so nice and make your skin look nourished but also glowy, and I just love that trick. Another way to wear it on your body is just taking the same brush that you used on your face and dipping into your highlight, and then just applying it to the high points of your shoulders, on your chest, and anywhere else you want like a little more glow. So as you can see, like that looks so pretty, and I love doing this trick. So when you're doing this, it's kind of easier to lift up your shoulders. It looks a little weird, but just lift up your shoulders and kind of like push them out so you know where the high points of your chest is. So I'm also gonna apply it to my collarbones. So yeah, now you can see the difference on my skin, and it just looks really pretty, and I love doing this. So the last way you can wear highlighter is mixed in with your foundation. Again, you can scrape a little out and mix it that way, or what I like to do is take my beauty sponge, which please ignore this because it's absolutely disgusting. Take this, dip it really good in my highlighter, like pretend this is the highlighter, dip it really good in the highlighter, and then squirt a pump of your foundation on your sponge and then just apply it. And this gives your foundation a natural, beautiful glow that maybe your matte foundation didn't have. Maybe you want to switch it up without buying a whole nother foundation. Doing this and dipping it into the highlighter and then applying the foundation to your face will make your foundation look so natural, so glowy, so beautiful. Like, ugh, I love doing this trick. So now that we talked about the 5 ways you can wear highlighter, we're gonna move on to the special announcement, which I need to breathe and take a second because I am freaking out and so excited to tell you guys. The time has come, you guys. I cannot believe it's finally here. My dreams are coming true, and this is by far the biggest announcement I've ever made in my makeup career, and I just can't wait to share it with you guys. I've been working on this for so long and been putting my sweat and tears and staying up so many nights working and thinking of ideas for you guys, and now it's finally here. So I am launching my very own brand. My own brand, mine. I just cannot believe it. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I've been working on this for years. So yeah, my brand is called SAS Beauty. SAS Beauty stands for SAS, which is my initials, Sydney Alexis Skunberg, and it just happens to be spelled sass, which is really fun because I am like a sassy person, so it fits. And honestly, sass is like such a powerful word, and that's why I love the name of my brand so much. I feel like it brings out a confidence and like a fierceness to beauty, like sass. Like when you wear this makeup, it makes you feel sassy. So basically, SAS Beauty is going to be beauty that brings out your inner sass. So I know all my girls out there and guys have a little sass to them, and hopefully my makeup brand brings it out because honestly, all of you are gorgeous in your own way and you deserve to feel beautiful. So I just hope my brand can help with that. You're like, shut up and get to the product. Okay, so my product, my very first launch will be a highlighter. This is my highlighter. I designed everything myself, the logo, all that. Look how gorgeous it is. I absolutely love how this turned out. This highlighter is our High Shine highlighter. It is actually the highlighter I was using this whole video. I didn't want to tell you guys until the very end, but yeah, this highlighter on me is the one that I am launching. The color is called Lit, which it's lit, so the highlighter is going to launch August 6th at 1 o'clock p.m. EST. So now we're gonna talk a little bit more about my brand. The brand is 100% cruelty-free. I wanted to make sure that there was no animal testing whatsoever. Cruelty-free was a big deal for me. I'm so happy I found a lab to work with that was cruelty-free. So, okay, now let's just talk a little bit more about my journey. I've been working on this for years now. I've been going through samples and samples and samples of different products, and honestly, a lot of them were just so cheap, and I just did not agree with like putting my name on something that's cheap or just like slapping my name on just anything. So I honestly wanted to just make great quality products for you guys, and yeah, I'm so happy I finally, after years and months and time going through different samples and all this stuff, finally found a formula that I absolutely love and adore. All of my products are made here in the USA. That was a big deal for me, so I'm so happy that all my products are made in the USA. So now more about the highlighter. My highlighter is 5.8 grams, which is actually a lot of product. And with this product, a little goes a very long way. You don't have to use a lot at all. I've been using this actually same compact for months now, and it still hasn't even hit pan. and I've been using it like on my body, on my face, literally been using this every single day, and it still has not hit pan. So therefore you're getting a lot of product in this little compact. All right, so most of you guys are probably like, let's see the swatches. So that's what we're gonna do. So here is what it looks like with one swirl on my finger. So we're just gonna take the highlighter and swatch it on the front of my arm. That is with one swipe. Oh, it's so stunning. I love, love, love this highlighter, and I'm not just saying that because it's mine. I truly love this highlighter so much. So I thought I would just take some of my favorite highlighters. I have 3 highlighters in front of me that I absolutely love. They're my favorites other than this one, and show you a comparison to some brands that you may already have. So the first one we're gonna start off with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. So as you can see, the Amrezy highlighter is a lot lighter, but honestly, like the shine, they're both pretty similar when it comes to how blinding they are. Next, I have 2 Ofra highlighters. I couldn't choose which one I wanted to show you guys, so I just chose my winter shade and then also my summer shade. And the first one is going to be the Ofra highlighter in the shade Star Island. Okay, so there is the Ofra one right here below the Amrezy one. Oh my goodness, I cannot talk. So last but not least, we have the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This is such a gorgeous highlight, and if I had to choose any of these highlight colors to be most similar to mine, it'd probably be this one. So we're just gonna take Rodeo Drive and swatch it right below Star Island. So here is Rodeo Drive, and honestly it looks a lot lighter on the camera than it is in real life. So they actually look a lot similar when it comes to like how high shine they are. This is a very blinding formula, and you can either wear it like how I have it right now, or even apply more and make it a like super blinding highlight, which I love how it can be like very subtle highlight, and then you can add more and make it like a bing, blinding in your face, you know? Okay, so this is going to be a private launch, so you want to get on the waiting list because honestly, I only have 300 highlighters. I didn't think I was going to get this much love and support from you guys, so again, thank you so much. It warms my heart. I cannot stop thanking you guys, but yeah, I only have 300 highlighters. I'm gonna send some to my influencer friends. About 35 people are gonna be on my PR list for this first launch. And then I'm going to do a huge giveaway and give away like 20 of them to you guys. So I only have like 250 because I have to keep some for myself and like give it to family and friends. So I really only have 250 to sell to you guys. So in order for you guys to have the best chance ever to purchase this highlighter, you want to join my waiting list. The waiting list is going to be on my website, which is going to be www.sassbeautyshop.com. The link will be in my bio, but yeah, you want to join that list so you are the first to know when we are launching, when we are live, and when you can purchase those products. So definitely get on the waiting list. And also if you're interested in like giveaways and all that, join the list. So yeah, I think that's it. I want to thank all of you guys so much. Again, I'm sorry, I gotta stop saying thank you because you've heard it so many times before, but again, thank you for you guys' support. I wouldn't be where I am without you guys. I wouldn't even be starting my brand and making this dream into reality if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.